Hello, today I'm going to be telling you about 5 serums and how you can use them to get a brighter skin or a lighter skin, whichever one that you want. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nero. Here we share skincare tips and recipes on how to get a glowing skin, a brighter skin, or a lighter skin, whichever one that you want. Okay, I started this channel because for a very long time I was clueless and I didn't know what I was doing, and all these other YouTube channels they just I don't even want to talk about it. But now I know better, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes I did, so I'm sharing it. Okay, so subscribe so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Okay, I'll be posting 3 times a week. Try to be consistent. Okay, subscribe so you can keep up with me. Okay, so number 1 on our list is CITRO Clear. Yeah, this is CITRO Clear. I've used mine. It's 50 ml. It contains clotrimazole, so use with care. It has steroid in it. Very effective. You can use it for. You can add it to your black soap. You can add it to your creams. You can add it to your glowing oils. Just need to know the right proportion to use it. Next on our list is Action Jolie. Okay, this Action Jolie is very good for glowing. It works more for glowing. Add it to your creams for glowing skin. Use it to premix. By the time I use Action Jolie to premix a face cream, like I had this instant glow on my face, so Action Jolie is good for glowing. Okay, you can also use Action Jolie in a glowing oil recipe to make your talking oil. Next on our list is Labidjanaise. Okay. Written on it, they say anti-aging and for anti-aging skin and anti-wrinkle. It also lightens. Okay, this particular serum can be used directly on the skin. Okay, you need to read the label. Most of these serums they can't be used on the skin directly, but because they are very concentrated and they can burn and irritate your skin, you need to premix them. But some of them can. Okay, and this is one of them. You need to read the back. The back will let you know whether it can or not. This one lightens. I used it and it works. Okay, but you should know how to use it. Okay, just so you know, it contains 2% hydroquinone, so be careful. Next on my list is Glutathione comprime serum. I don't have that here with me, but it's a very good serum. And for Glutathione comprime serum, let me give you guys a recipe. Take 3 tablespoons of Glutathione comprime serum and mix it with a very good base cream. Like, it's good you use a base that also contains glutathione. So use it with a glutathione base cream. That will help it to work faster, to boost it. Use 3 tablespoons of Glutathione comprime serum and you put it in use it with this base cream, Glutathione white. Make sure you get the original. There's a lot of fakes around. So 3 tablespoons of Glutathione comprime serum in Glutathione white. Okay, and if you want to boost the effect further, you can use skin premix. Add 3 tablespoons of skin premix, 3 or 2 tablespoons depending on how strong you want it and if your skin is sensitive or tough. So 3 tablespoons of Glutathione comprime serum in 1 base cream of Glutathione white. Glutathione white is 300 ml. Then if you want it to be stronger, add 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of skin-free milk. Okay, yeah. Last serum on my list is Piment doux. I already made a video about Piment doux, so you can go and check that out. Check out that video about Piment doux. I tell you everything. I give you a recipe on how to do that. Okay, I might link a video here, so check. Just some tips to remember. I have my book where I wrote some things down, so if you see me look down, this is the reason why I'm looking down. So some of these serums are very concentrated. You don't use them directly on your body. Some of them you can use directly on your body. If you want to know which is which, just read the label of the serum. You'll be able to know that you can use it on your body or not. If you are going to use a serum or your premise cream, I advise you to not use it during the day. And even if you want to use it during the day, use your serum, use your sunscreen. Yeah. Don't rub these creams and then go out under the sun till you get darker than what you originally were if you keep doing that. And on that, when you get your desired complexion, you should just tone it down, get maintenance cream, you know, to just maintain your complexion. Then don't use body cream on your face. I hear some people think, can I use it on my face? No, don't use body cream on your face. Go and get a face cream. Body cream is not meant to be used on the face. Some serums you can use directly on your face, but most serums you can't. You can use some serums to promise face cream, but don't use body cream on your face. Even the one that you did not promise, if you don't even use it, it's not good. And when you are rubbing the cream, remember to concentrate on your knuckles like this. Rub like this. That is one of the major reasons for knuckles and dryness too. Remember to concentrate on your knuckles. You concentrate on your knuckles while rubbing your cream. It will reduce the occurrence of knuckles. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share to somebody who needs this, because you know, send them here. Tell them to subscribe. Tell your people, your friend that needs it to subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to be more consistent, and seeing growth will make me encouraged to make more videos. So please, anybody that is interested in skincare that needs help, send the videos to them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.